Hello friends, in this video we will discuss top GK questions. So first question is, what is the largest state in India by area? Answer is Rajasthan. Which river is known as the Ganga of South in India? Answer is Godavari. In which year was the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO established? Answer is 1969. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Answer is Punjab. What is the capital of Jharkhand? Answer is Ranchi. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question next. In which city is the Indian Institute of Technology IIT Kharagpur located? Answer is West Bengal. Which mountain range separates the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau? Answer is the Himalayas. What is the official language of state of Maharashtra? Answer is Marathi. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coffee? Answer is Karnataka. Next question. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Question number next. Which is the largest wildlife sanctuary in India? Answer is Hemis National Park, Jammu and Kashmir. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? Answer is Jaipur. In which state is the Gir National Park located, home to the Asiatic lion? Answer is Gujarat. Next question. What is the currency of India? Answer is Indian rupees INR. Next question. Who wrote the famous book Discovery of India? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar due to frequent floods? Answer is Kosi River. Next question. In which state is the Sun Temple Konark located? Answer is Odisha. Question number next. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question next. Which Indian state is the leading producer of silk in the country? Answer is Karnataka. What is the total number of union territories in India as of 2024? There are 8 union territories in India as of 2024 as per the current census. In which year did India adopt the metric system of weight and measures? 1956. Next question. What is the longest river bridge in India? Dhola Sadia Bridge, Assam. Who was the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna, India highest civilian award? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Which Indian state is known as the land of five waters? Answer is Punjab. In which year was the first general election held in independent India? Answer is 1952. Answer question number next. Who is the Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India as per the 2024? The answer is Nyayamurthy Sanjeev Khadke as of 2024 census. Which Indian scientist won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work The Quantum Theory of Radiation? Answer is C.V. Raman. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? Answer is Chilka Lake, Odisha. Who is the Chief Minister of West Bengal as of 2024? Answer is Mamata Banerjee as of 2024 census. Which Indian state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Answer is Kerala. What is the oldest mountain range in India? Aravalli Range. Who composed the music for the Indian national song Vande Mataram? Answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Question next. In which state is the Colorado National Park a UNESCO World Heritage Site located? Answer Rajasthan. Next question. What is the literacy rate of India as per the current census? The answer is 73%. It may change over the time. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer Karnam Malleswari, bronze in weightlifting, Sydney 2000. In which year did the Battle of Plassey take place? 1757. Which river is known as the lifeline of Gujarat? Answer is Sabarmati River. What is the nickname of state of Kerala? Answer is God own country. Question next. Who is the known as father of Indian cinema? Answer is Dada Saheb Phalke. What is the traditional dance from Odisha? Answer is Odissi. Who is the author of the book The White Tiger, which won the Man Bronze Booker Prize? Answer is Arvind Adiga. Question next. In which state is the famous temple town of Udupi located? Answer Karnataka. What is the official language of state of Tamil Nadu? Answer is Tamil. Who won the first woman prime minister? Who was the first prime minister of India? Answer is Indira Gandhi. What is the name of the capital? What is the name of the national emblem of India? Lion, capital of Ashoka. Question next. In which city the Indian Institute of Technology means IIT Madras located? Answer is Chennai. Which Indian state is the largest producer of tea? Answer is Assam. Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra as of 2024? The answer is Eknath Shinde. You can check the latest information on the Google also. What is the capital of Haryana? Answer is Chandigarh. Who is the known as father of Indian space program? Answer is Vikram Sarabhai. Question next. In which state of Gir Forest National Park the last refuge of the Asiatic lion located? Answer is Gujarat. What is the total number of Lok Sabha seats in India? Answer is 545, including 2 Anglo-nominated members. Anyway, 543 is the Lok Sabha seats. Question next. Who is the current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh as of 2024? The answer is Yogi Adityanath ji. You can check the latest information. Question next. In which year did the India host the Commonwealth Games for the first time? Answer is 2010. Question next. Which Indian river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? Answer is Godavari. Question next. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic gold medal? Answer Karnam Malleswari, bronze in weightlifting, Sydney 2000. Question next. What Indian city is known as the Manchester of East? Answer is Ahmedabad. Next question. What is the currency of Bhutan? Answer is Bhutan is Nagul Trum. Question next. In which state is the Valley of Flowers National Park located? Answer is Uttarakhand. Question next. Who was the first Indian woman in space? Answer is Kalpana Chawla. What is the official language of Mizoram? Answer is Mizo. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Answer is Dada Bhai Naroji. Question. Which Indian state is known as the Land of Five Lakes? Answer is Manipur. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu as of 2024? You can check the answer and comment it on comment section. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Aravalli Range. In which state is the Bandipur National Park located? Answer is Karnataka. Who is the author of the book My Experiment with Truth? Mahatma Gandhi. Which Indian state is known as the Land of Five Waters? Answer is Punjab. In which year did the Battle of Plassey take place? 1757. Question next. Who was the first Indian woman to become the President of United Nations General Assembly? Answer is Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Question next. What is the smallest state in India by area? Answer is Goa. Who is the Chief Minister of Bihar as of 2024? The answer is Nitish Kumar, and you can check the latest information. In which state is the Satpura range located? Answer is Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Which is the largest city in Uttar Pradesh by area? Answer is Lakhimpur Kheri. Next question. In which year was the state of Uttar Pradesh formed? Answer is 1950. Question next. Who is the legendary poet saint associated with the city of Varanasi? Answer is Kabir. What is the famous festival celebrated in Mathura during Holi known for its colorful celebrations? Answer is Latmar Holi. Which river flows through the city of Kanpur? Answer is Ganges. Who is the current governor of Uttar Pradesh as of 2024? You can check the on the Google, and if you know the answer, please write it down comment section. Which city in Uttar Pradesh is known as the city of Nawabs? Lucknow. What is the traditional folk dance of Uttar Pradesh often performed during festivals? Answer is Kathak. In which city the famous Banaras Hindu University BHU located? Answer is Varanasi. Which is the largest wildlife sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Kemur Wildlife Sanctuary. Question है, who was the first Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Govind Vallabh Pant. Question next. Which is the official state animal of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Barasingha, swamp deer. In which city is the iconic Taj Mahal located at UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer is Agra. What is the traditional attire for men in Uttar Pradesh often associated with festival and culture events? Answer is kurta pajama. Question next. Who was the medieval saint and poet who is credited with composing the famous Ramcharitmanas? Answer is Tulsidas. Question next. Which city is known for its annual Magh Mela, one of the largest religious fair in the world? Answer is Allahabad, Prayagraj. Question next. What is the largest city in Uttar Pradesh by population? Answer is Kanpur. Who is the current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh as of 2024? Answer is Yogi Adityanath ji. You can check the information on the Google and you can write it on comment section. Question next. In which district is the Dudhwa National Park located? Answer is Lakhimpur Kheri. Which river flows through the city of Varanasi? Answer is Ganges. Question next. What is the traditional sweet dish of Uttar Pradesh often associated with festivals like Diwali? Answer is peda. Question next. In which district is famous Sarnath, where Lord Buddha gave his first sermon located? Answer is Varanasi. What is the official state bird of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Saras crane. Question next. In which year was the Lucknow Metro inaugurated? Answer is 2017. Question next. Who is the renowned poet and freedom fighter known for composing the patriotic song Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna? Answer is Ram Prasad Bismil. Question next. In which district is the history city of Ayodhya located? Answer is Faizabad, now officially named as Ayodhya. It is the birthplace of Rama, Bhagwan Ram. Who is known as the Iron Man of Uttar Pradesh for his role in the integration of princely state into India? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question next. What is the famous dance drama of Uttar Pradesh depicting the life of Lord Krishna? Answer is Ras Leela. Question next. Which national highway connects Agra and Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is National Highway 19, NH19. In which city is the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University formed Agra University located? Answer is Agra. Which Mughal empires commissioned the construction of the Fatehpur Sikri near Agra? Answer is Akbar. What is the traditional art of hand embroidery famous in Lucknow? Answer is Chikankari. Question next. In which city is the Indian Institute of Information Technology IIT Allahabad located? Answer is Allahabad, Prayagraj. Question next. Which wildlife sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a habitat for the endangered Indian rhinoceros? Answer is Dudhwa National Park. Question next. What is the name of the annual cattle fair held in the town of Sonpur in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Sonpur Mela. In which district is the historic Jama Masjid, one of the largest mosques in India, located? Muradabad. Who was the founder of Banaras Hindu University? Answer is Madan Mohan Malviya. Question next. Which river flows through the city of Allahabad, Prayagraj? Answer is Yamuna. In which district is the Vindhya range located in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Mirzapur. What is the traditional puppetry art from the form of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Katputli. Question next. Which iconic monument in Agra was originally known as Rauja-i-Munawwara and later renamed by Shah Jahan? Answer is Taj Mahal. In which district is the Dudhwa National Park located? Answer is Lakhimpur Kheri. What is the traditional folk music for the Baraj region in Uttar Pradesh associated with Lord Krishna tales? Answer is Braj ki Holi. Question. In which district is the Sarnath Stupa, a Buddhist pilgrimage site, located? Answer is Varanasi. Question next. Who was the medieval saint and poet saint whose mausoleum is in the city of Lucknow? Answer is Hazratganj. Question next. In which year was the Lucknow Metro inaugurated? Answer is 2017. Question next. Which city is known as for the manufacturing of glass and glassware in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Firozabad. Question. In which district is the Saras Crane Wildlife Sanctuary located? Answer Etah. Question next. Which river flows through the city of Varanasi? Answer is Ganges. Questions next. What is the traditional cuisine of Uttar Pradesh known for its rich and flavored dishes? Question answer is Awadhi cuisine. Awadhi cuisine. Question next. In which city the headquarters of the North Eastern Railway Zone situated in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Gorakhpur. Gorakhpur is the longest railway platform. Also, which historical fort in Uttar Pradesh was the residence of Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi during the First War of Indian Independence in 1857? Answer is Jhansi Fort. Question है, what is the traditional boat race conducted during the Kartik Purnima festival on the Ganges river in Varanasi? Answer Dev Deepavali. Question next, in which district is the Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary located in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Chandoli. Question next, who was the freedom fighter and social reformer known as the heroine of 1942 Quit Indian movement from Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Question है, what is the famous sweet dish associated with the town of Meerut in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Revri, that is known as Revdi. In which district is the Chunar Fort, an ancient fortification situated along the banks of the Ganga rivers? Answer is Mirzapur. Next question, who was the 16th century sant and saint who composed the famous poem Manas Mangal in Awadhi language? Answer is Goswami Tulsidas. Question next, what is the name of the traditional handloom textile art form famous in Varanasi producing silk fabrics with the gold and silver brocade? Answer is Banarsi Sari, that is known as Banarsi Sari. Question next, in which district is the Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary known for its migratory bird located? Answer is Unnao. Question next, who was the revolutionary leader from Uttar Pradesh known as the Frontier Gandhi, advocating non-violence and communal harmony? Answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question next, in which district is the Kemur Wildlife Sanctuary situated in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Mirzapur. Question next, what is the traditional folk dance form of the Braj region, especially popular during the festival of Holi and Janmashtami? Answer Ras Leela. Question next, in which district is the Lake Bahosi Bird Sanctuary, a wetland sanctuary, located? Answer is Kannauj. Question next, who was the medieval saint and poet saint whose shrine is in the city of Fatehpur Sikri? Answer is Sheikh Salim Chishti. Question next, what is the traditional folk art form of puppetry in Uttar Pradesh, especially popular in the region of Varanasi and Azamgarh? Answer is Putul Naach. Question next, in which district is the Sonbhadra district known for its rich mineral resources located? Answer is Sonbhadra. Question next, who was the famous Hindi poet and philosopher from Uttar Pradesh known for his work Ras Mirathi? Answer is Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. Question next, in which district is the Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary, home of various species of flora and fauna, located? Answer is Meerut. Question next, what is the traditional folk music form of Uttar Pradesh sung in the Braj region associated with the love stories of Radha and Krishna? Answer is Hori. Question next, in which district of Bateshwar group of temple a complex of ancient temples located? Answer is Agra. Question next, who was the Indian classical music and sarod player born in the Gwalior known of popularizing the sarod? Question mark. Answer is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Question next, in which district the Mahavira Wildlife Sanctuary, a part of Great Himalayan National Park, situated? Answer is Lalitpur. Question next, who was the social reformer and women rights activities from Uttar Pradesh known for her contribution to education and widow remarriage? Answer is Savitri Bai Phule. Question is, in which district is the Rajaji National Park, a tiger reserve, situated in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Haridwar. Question next, in which district is the Jaunpur Fort, an ancient fortress, located? Answer is Jaunpur. Question है, who was the famous Indian classical dancer and Kathak exponent from Uttar Pradesh known as the Queen of Kathak? Answer is Sitara Devi. Question next, in which district is the Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary, an important habitat of migratory birds, situated? Answer is Unnao. Question next, who was the medieval saint and poet saints associated with the city of Prayagraj, known for his composition in praise of Lord Krishna? Answer is Surdas. Question next. In which district is the Jhilmil Jheel Conservation Reserve a wetland area located? Answer is Haridwar. Who was the revolutionary and freedom fighter from Uttar Pradesh known for his participation in the Kakori conspiracy? Answer is Ram Prasad Bismil. Question next. In which district is the Chandrasekhar Azad known as the Alfred Park situated? Answer is Allahabad Prayagraj. Who is the famous Hindi and Urdu poet from Uttar Pradesh known for his work like Madhusala and Agnipath? Answer is Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Question next. In which district is the Samaspur Bird Sanctuary a haven for migratory bird located? Answer is Raebareli. Question next. Who was the Mughal Empire who built the Bara Imambara in Lucknow? Answer is Asaf ud-Daula. Question next. In which city is the Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary an important protected area for wildlife situated? Answer is Meerut. Question next. Who was the legendary classical vocalist from Varanasi known as the popularizing Banaras Gharana for Indian classical music? Answer is Pandit Chunulal Misra. Question next. In which district is the Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary famous for its avian diversity located? Answer is Unnao. Who was the medieval saint and poet saints associated with the city of Varanasi known for his devotional songs dedicated to Lord Rama? Answer is Kabir Das. Question next. In which district is the Kukrel Forest Reserve a wildlife sanctuary situated? Answer is Lucknow. Question next. Who was the famous Indian classical musician and sitar virtuoso from Varanasi known for popularizing Indian classical music globally? Answer is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Question next. In which district is Sur Sarovar Bird Sanctuary also known as Keetham Lake located? Answer is Agra. Question next. Who was the medieval saint and poet saint associated with the city of Mathura known for his devotional song dedicated to Lord Krishna? Answer is Sant Surdas. Question next. In which district is the Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary a protected area for wildlife located? Answer is Chandoli. Question next. Who was the medieval saint and poet saints associated with the city of Ayodhya known for his compositions in praise of Lord Rama? Answer is Tulsidas. Question next. In which district is the Samaspur Bird Sanctuary a bird watcher's delight situated? Answer is Raebareli. Question next. Who was the Mughal Empire who built the Rumi Darwaja in Lucknow? Answer is Asaf ud-Daula. Question next. In which district is the Bakira Bird Sanctuary a haven for migratory birds located? Question mark. Answer is Sant Kabir Nagar. Question next. Who was the social reformer from Uttar Pradesh known for his effort towards eradication of untouchability and caste-based discrimination? Answer is Jyotirao Phule. Question next. In which district is the Chandrasekhar Azad Park a popular regional sport situated? Answer is Allahabad Prayagraj. Question number next. Who is the current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh as of 2024? The answer is Yogi Adityanath ji. You can check the latest information as this may change over the time. Question next. In which year did the political party Bahujan Samaj Party BSP came into existence in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 1984. Question next. Which city in Uttar Pradesh is known as the political capital of state? Answer is Lucknow. Next question is who was the first Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh after its formation in 1950? Answer is Govind Vallabh Pant. Question next. In which district is a parliamentary constituency of Varanasi represented by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Answer is Varanasi. Question next. Who is known as the architect of modern Uttar Pradesh for his contribution to the state development? Answer is Chaudhary Charan Singh. Question next. In which year did the Samajwadi Party SP come into existence in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 1992. Question next. Which political party did Mayawati represent in Uttar Pradesh politics? Answer is Bahujan Samaj Party BSP. Question next. Who is the founder of political party Rashtriya Lok Sabha RLD which has a presence in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Chaudhary Ajit Singh. Question next. In which district is the parliamentary constituency of Amethi known for its political significance located? Answer is Amethi. Question number next. Who is the current governor of Uttar Pradesh as of 2024? Answer is check the latest info as this may change over the time. You can write it on comment section if you know the answer. Question number next. Which political party did Mulayam Singh Yadav represent in Uttar Pradesh politics? Answer is Samajwadi Party, means SP. Question next. In which year did the Indian National Congress win the first general election in Uttar Pradesh after independence? Answer is 1952. Next question is, who was the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh during the emergency in 1975 to 1977? Answer is Narayan Dutt Tiwari. Question number next. In which district the parliamentary constitution of Gorakhpur known for its political prominence situated? Answer is Gorakhpur. Question next. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Sucheta Kripalani. Question next. In which year did the political party Bharatiya Janata Party BJP come into existence in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 1980. Question number next. Which political party did Kalyan Singh represent in Uttar Pradesh politics? Answer is Bharatiya Janata Party, that is known as BJP. Question number next. In which district is the parliamentary constituency of primarily a stronghold of a prominent political family located? Answer is Raebareli. Question number next. Who is the current Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh as of 2024? Answer, you can check the latest info as this may change over the time, and you can write it on comment section if you know the answer. Next question is, in which year did the political party Rashtriya Lok Dal RLD come into existence in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 1996. Question number next. Who is known as the Iron Lady of Uttar Pradesh for his strong leadership in the state? Answer is Mayawati. Question number next. In which district is the parliamentary constitution of Prayagraj, formerly known as Allahabad, located? Answer is Prayagraj. Question number next. Who is the current speaker of Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly as of 2024? You can write the answer in the comment box if you know the answer of that question. Question number next. In which year did the political party Bahujan Samaj Party BSP first come to the power in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 1995. Question next. Who served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh for the longest continuous period, holding for the position for over 5 terms? Answer is Mulayam Singh Yadav. Question number next. In which year did the political party Janata Dal United came into the existence in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 1999. Question next. Which district in Uttar Pradesh is known as the sugar bowl of India due to its existent sugarcane cultivation? Answer is Meerut. Question next. Who was the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh during the 2019 Muzaffarnagar riots? Answer is Akhilesh Yadav. Question next. In which district is the parliamentary constituency of Azamgarh a politically significant region located? Answer is Azamgarh. Question next. Who was the first Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh from the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP? Answer is Kalyan Singh. Question next. In which year did the political party Indian National Congress win the last general election in Uttar Pradesh before 2024? Answer, you can check the latest info as per this may change over the time. Next question is, which political leader from Uttar Pradesh was known as the champion of social justice? Question is, which political leader from Uttar Pradesh was known as the champion of social justice and played a crucial role in the Mandal Commission implementation? Answer is Mulayam Singh Yadav. Question number next. In which district is a parliamentary constituency of Kanpur, an industrial and commercial hub situated? Answer is Kanpur. Question number next. Who was the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh during the construction of Akhilesh Yadav government ambitious Lucknow metro project? Answer is Akhilesh Yadav. Question number next. In which year did the political party Apna Dal Sonelal come into existence in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 1995. Question next. Who served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh during the implementation of Mandal Commission recommendations in 1990s? Answer is Mulayam Singh Yadav. Question next, in which district is the parliamentary constitution of Firozpur known for its glass industry located? Answer is Firozabad. Question next, who was the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh during the 1991 Ayodhya demolition incident? Answer is Kalyan Singh. Question next, in which year did the political party Lok Dal Ek came into existence in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 1980. Question next, who served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh during the 1992 to 1993 Babri Masjid demolition incident? Answer is Kalyan Singh. Question next, in which district is the parliamentary constituency Muradabad known for its brassware industry located? Answer is Muradabad. Question next, who was the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh during the 2007 Gorakhpur riots? Answer is Mayawati. Question next, in which year did the political party Rashtriya Janata Dal RJD come into the existence in Uttar Pradesh? 1997. Question number next, who served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh during the 2014 Muzaffarnagar riots? Answer is Akhilesh Yadav. Question number next, in which district is the parliamentary constitution of Raebareli a stronghold of the Indian National Congress located? Answer is Raebareli. Question next, who was the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh during the 1984 anti-Sikh riots? Answer is Vishwanath Pratap Singh. Question number next, in which year did the political party Uttar Pradesh Navnirman Sena come into existence in the state? Answer is 2010. Question next, who served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh during the 2002 Ayodhya attack incident? Answer is Mayawati. Question next, in which district is the parliamentary constituency of Varanasi represented by Prime Minister Narendra Modi located? Answer is Varanasi. Question next, in which city is the Green Park Stadium a prominent cricket venue located in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Kanpur. Question next, who is the famous Indian cricketer hailing from Uttar Pradesh known for his aggressive batting style? Answer is Suresh Raina. Question next, in which district is the Ekana International Cricket Stadium also known as Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekana Cricket Stadium situated? Answer is Lucknow. Question next, who is the female badminton player from Uttar Pradesh who won a bronze medal at the 2012 London Olympics? Question answer is Saina Nehwal. Question next, in which district is the Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta Institute of Physical Education and Sports Sciences located? Answer is Varanasi. Question next, who is the famous Indian shooter from Uttar Pradesh who won a silver medal at the 2004 Athens Olympics? Answer is Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. Question number next, in which city is the Sports Authority of India SAI Regional Center Uttar Pradesh located? Answer is Lucknow. Question next, who is the Indian hockey player from Uttar Pradesh who captained the national team and won the gold medal at the 1980 Moscow Olympics? Answer is Jafar Iqbal. Question next, in which district is the Gomti Nagar complex a multi-sport facility situated? Answer is Lucknow. Question next, who is the Indian racer from Uttar Pradesh who won a bronze medal at the 2000 London Olympics? Answer is Yogeshwar Dutt. Question next, in which city is the KD Singh Babu Stadium a multi-sport stadium located in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Lucknow. Question next, who is the female weightlifter from Uttar Pradesh who won a bronze medal at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics? Answer is Sikhum Mirabai Chanu. Question next, in which district is the Major Dhyan Chand Sports College a sport education institution situated? Answer is Sefai Etawah. Question next, who is the renowned Indian para badminton player from Uttar Pradesh who has won multiple Paralympic medals? Answer is Manoj Sarkar. Question next, in which city is the UP Badminton Academy a prominent badminton training center located? Answer is Lucknow. Question next, who is the Indian cricketer from Uttar Pradesh who achieved the milestones of scoring the first double century in one-day international ODIs? Answer is Rohit Sharma. Question next, in which district is the International Sports Stadium also known as Gaurav Path located? Answer is Gorakhpur. Question next, who is the female archer from Uttar Pradesh Who won a silver medal at 2000 at the 2004 Athens Olympics? Answer Praniti Vardhineni. Question is next. Question next is in which city is the Swan Jayanti Park Sports Complex, a sport facility located in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Meerut. Question next. Who is the Indian boxer from Uttar Pradesh who won a gold medal at the 2008 Beijing Olympics? Answer is Virender Singh. Question next. In which district is the Seth Andhram Jaipuria College of Physical Education located? Answer is Ghaziabad. Question next. Who is the Indian cricketer from Uttar Pradesh known as the Ball for his solid batting technique? Answer is Rahul Dravid. Question next is in which city is the Uttar Pradesh Tennis Association UPTA headquarters located? Answer is Lucknow. Question next. Who is the female cricketer from Uttar Pradesh who has represented India in international matches and is known for her left arm spin? Answer is Ekta Best. Question next is in which and the last question is in which district is the UP Olympic Association Question next and last question is in which district is the UP Olympic Association Bhavan located? Answer is